Hello and welcome to UTS Library's tutorial on referencing a book using the APA 7th style. In this video, we'll show you how to reference a book. To reference a book, you need the author or authors of the book, the year it was published, the title of the book, and the name of the book's publisher. Additional information such as the edition number and the book's DOI number can also be added to the reference if available. After you gather this information, it's time to reference. Start with the author's surname and the initials of their given names. If the book was written by two authors, place a comma and then an ampersand between the names. If the book has three or more authors, place commas between each name until you reach the final name. Then use an ampersand to join it with the rest. Make sure you keep the author's name in the same order as they appear in the source. After listing the authors, put the year the book was published in parentheses and then add a full stop. Next, write the title of the book in italics. Only capitalize the first word of the title, the first word after a colon, and any proper nouns. If the book has an edition number higher than first, it goes in parentheses after the title with the abbreviation ED. Lastly, put the name of the book's publisher. If your book has a DOI number, place it at the end of the reference. Note that there is no full stop after the DOI. In this video, we covered how to reference a book.